Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I talked about why you should buy a house in the UK and the long-term benefit of owning a property. But today I want to flip the conversation and talk about why you shouldn't buy a house right now, at least until you also obviously have taken everything I spoke about in the previous video into consideration, because the truth is that buying a property is not for everyone. Yes, because sometimes if you're not quite ready, it can actually cost you more than you think. But if you still are planning to buy, I've created a first time, home buyer guide that will help you to plan properly and understand the hidden costs and prepare you the right way. So you can download that after watching this video. You can find that on my Beacon bio, just by my YouTube profile. Okay, guys, so let's get into it. Second reason why I feel you shouldn't buy right now is that maybe you're not prepared for ongoing maintenance. When you rent, you can call your landlord to fix things. When you own your property, you are the landlord. So when your boilers break and when there's the roof is leaking, or you have a plumbing problem, or things wear out, the expectation is that you do it yourself. And these, repairs don't come cheap, unless maybe you're like us who's got insurance for every single thing. Always have a maintenance fund. So if you are definitely going for it, at least 1%, like I said in my first video, of your property's value set aside each year. And if you don't have that cushion yet, it might be better for you to wait until you're ready before buying. The third reason why I think you should hold off buying at the moment is that you have a little or no deposit. A small deposit means higher monthly payment and worse mortgage deals, so you don't get very much deals. The bigger your deposit, the better your mortgage rate would be, and the less interest you'll be paying in the long term. So if you are rushing to buy with just 5%, consider, I'm not even sure if they're giving any 5% unless it's back in the market. Considering waiting until you're able to get at least 10% to 15%, that patient could actually save you thousands of pounds over the life of your mortgage. Another reason why you should hold off buying is that you want flexibility or location independence. Maybe you're somebody who wants to travel, and at the moment you don't want to be held down. If someone wants to move, if you want to travel or explore different cities, buying might actually trap you too soon. Properties ties you down, as you already know. You can't just get up and go. Yes, you can rent it out, yes, but selling takes time, costs money, and sometimes leaves you stuck in one place longer than you'd like. So renting at the moment might give you that flexibility that you need, and there is nothing wrong with renting while you're still trying to figure out where you truly want to settle. The reason why I think you should hold off and not buy a property right now is for you, because you are not ready to settle down. Owning a home means committing to a location, a lifestyle, and a set of responsibilities. Yes, if your life is still changing, career wise, relationship wise, maybe family, it might not be the right time for you. And there is nothing worse than buying a house and realizing that 6 months down the line that you want to move abroad, and maybe you want to change jobs, or when you start over somewhere else. So it's just best for you to just hold off on buying. So the other reason why I think you should hold off is that maybe you're trying to get rich overnight. Property isn't powerful. That's just not a way to get rich quick plan. Prices can fall, interest rate also can rise. And if you're buying just to flip, or maybe follow, hype, you could actually, lose money. So the real wealth in property comes from patience. So you need to be very, very patient for it, the price of it to go up. So from buying right, and holding long term, and as well as maintaining smartly, that would be the time I feel like is it, for you to just kind of wait, hold off. It's not a get rich scheme. It's not what it is. You don't get rich overnight. You have to be patient. So that's the reason why I feel that you should hold off for now. So there you have it. The reason why I feel you shouldn't buy your property at the moment, because buying a property is one of the biggest financial decision you will ever make in your life. And it's not just about rushing, it's about readiness. Take your time, build your savings when you're truly prepared. And it's good for you to buy confidently, sort of buying emotionally. All right. So, if you're getting ready for that stage of buying, download my first time buyer guide from my Beacon bio. It will walk you through every stage that you need to know about home buying in the UK, from budgeting to checklist, so that you're fully prepared before signing that contract. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put your notification bell on, so whenever I release a video, you're going to be notified of it so you don't miss out. So with that, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.